Did you know that chayote offers numerous health benefits? In this video by The Daily Eco, we'll explain what they are and how you can make the most of them. Chayote's properties. Chayote boasts diuretic, digestive, nutritional, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Now, let's explore the benefits that arise from these medicinal attributes. Hypertension control. Chayote's phytosterols play a pivotal role in lowering lipid levels and managing hypertension, subsequently reducing the risk of cardiovascular ailments. Promoting digestive health. Abundant in dietary fiber, chayote fosters the proper functioning of the digestive system. Fiber helps stave off constipation, encourages regular bowel movements, and maintains a healthy digestive tract. Supports nervous system. Chayote is a source of vitamin B6, a crucial nutrient for keeping neurotransmitters in balance and ensuring the nervous system works correctly. Having enough vitamin B6 lowers the risk of problems like depression, anxiety, and memory issues. Helps cleanse the body. Chayote, because of its potassium content that regulates water in cells and its high water content, helps remove toxins from the body by increasing urine production. This is especially helpful for people who tend to retain fluids. Fights inflammation. Chayote contains natural compounds like flavonoids and antioxidants that give it anti-inflammatory powers. These compounds actively combat inflammation in the body. Guards your cells. Chayote has antioxidants thanks to various bioactive compounds such as flavonoids, vitamin C, and E. Antioxidants are like cell bodyguards, shielding them from harm caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. These free radicals can harm cells, speed up aging, and contribute to various illnesses. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. What kind of climate is most suitable for chayote cultivation? Cold weather, hot weather, temperate climate, tropical climate. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video, you can check if you were right. And if you are enjoying this video, remember that with a super thanks, you can support us in continuing to create content like this. Cooking chayote. While the fruit is the most commonly eaten part of the chayote, other parts of the plant, such as the stems, young leaves, and tubers, are also edible. Let's explore a variety of chayote recipes. Boiled chayote. Start by cutting the chayote into pieces and boiling them until they become tender. These can be used in various dishes like stews and stir-fries. Roasted chayote. You can also roast chayote by cutting it into halves or quarters, adding salt, pepper, and olive oil, and roasting it in the oven or on a griddle until it's tender and lightly browned. Stuffed chayote. This delicious fruit can be stuffed with a mixture of ingredients like meat, vegetables, and spices for a flavorful dish. In soups. Dice chayote and add it to your favorite soups or broth to enhance both flavor and texture. Contraindications. Some individuals with allergies to food, such as pumpkin or melon, may experience allergic reactions to chayote. If you have a history of food allergies, it's advisable to consult a doctor before consuming chayote. Additionally, like many foods, chayote can interact with certain medications. Therefore, if you regularly take medications, especially those for blood pressure, diabetes, or anticoagulants, it's wise to consult your doctor before adding chayote to your diet. Lastly, while eating raw or undercooked, chayote is unlikely to cause serious harm. It may lead to stomach discomfort. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B. It is best grown in a tropical climate. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Until next time.